Eyaliko minisita w'obutebenkevu Gen Elly Tumwine Afudde ono n'afiiridde mu ddwaliro lya Aga Khan e Nairobi mu Kenya. Afiiridde ku myaka 68 era nga y'omu ku basirikale 27 abaasooka okulwana era ng'ono ye yasooka n'okukuba essasi eryasooka eryamuleetera n'okuba nti nno afuna injuries akw'ossa n'okuba nti n'eriiso lye lyalugenda okuva olwo. Ono nno yali mu ssomesa bye bimu ku ebyo bye tuyinza okuwaako olunaku olwaleero naye ng'okusinziira ku mwogezi w'eggye lya UPDF Felix Kulaije avuddeyo n'agamba nti bagenda kuvaayo n'obubaka obutongole ku kiddala ono ekimuse. Katukuwa ebimu ku bigambo Elly Tumwine by'azze ayogera Ebikambwe.
Police has a right to shoot you and kill you.
Me life through so many challenges which I may explain a bit. And give me this day of saying when they officially, you see, there is when you just disappear, or sometimes you die, or sometimes, but when you are still alive and the institution which you serve and the country which you serve officially says, oh, we want to say goodbye to you for the good job done. What a joy to have lived all these years doing what I love and loving what I do, which makes me do my best. Are you going to keep the values that made UPDF and NRAB who it
and the situation
and continued to fight Idi Amin when Idi Amin captured power and went into exile and organized and eventually started from NASA, which participated in the removal of the Idi Amin regime, and that's where we started, that's where we joined. And it helped us to understand from NASA helped NRA and UPDF now. The building of a new armed force, of a new army, because in the past, right from the traditional kingdom armies that were here, up to the Uganda, up to the East African Rifles, Uganda Rifles, Uganda Army, UNLA. Gwandiga Yesu oyo musai saigunaziza nebaza oyo murokozi bulizoba linekero kushemererwamu ate nizoba rungi kushemerwa umwami wa kisheija n'omukazi wabaneka yawe bakwebaitu hata na mporo na tukumporo no manye biragiro no mbikwatishaga no mbirako kubhenda no mwenda ngumbyangu sekonka